Are you ready to transform your kitchen in 2025? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to make your cooking dreams a reality. This incredible 9-in-1 powerhouse isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, and more, all in one sleek appliance. Say goodbye to complicated recipes with its 15 smart, customizable programs that ensure perfect results, whether you're making chili, cake, or even sterilizing baby bottles. Imagine perfectly tender meals ready in a fraction of the time, all with the push of a button. Plus, the healthy, food-grade stainless steel inner pot is not only durable but incredibly easy to clean, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. This model truly stands out for its versatility and user-friendly interface, simplifying gourmet cooking for everyone. If you're searching for the best pressure cooker or a multi-cooker upgrade, the Instant Pot Duo Plus delivers unmatched convenience and performance. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Find the best price and grab yours on Amazon today via the link in our description. For anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is absolutely our top recommendation for 2025.